not doubting the work also.
And that is a very, very big deal. We're so freaking excited now. Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another outfit from scratch video on my channel. The favorite kind of videos y'all like to watch. And this one is going to be iconic because it is the making of my red carpet outfit that I wear to the Cannes Film Festival. आप लोग ने मुझे इतने ज़्यादा outfits बनाते हुए देखा है, from fabric sourcing to the ideas to recreating outfits that other celebrities have worn and other designer outfits. And today I am going to attend a red carpet festival and I'm going to be out there and I want to create an outfit that is just as iconic, just as memorable, and just ticks all the right boxes and makes me feel very bold and confident. Like, that was the memo. I wanted to feel my most beautiful self on that red carpet. That was like off the bat, like in my head, I will definitely do a sari for my Cannes moment. You know, Aishwarya Rai's debut was also in a beautiful ethereal sari. The first time she walked the Cannes Film Festival, who is the veteran, who is our icon, she also did a sari the first time. So she's definitely an inspiration for me that I wanted to start my Cannes journey. You never know, inshallah, there will be many more in the future or this will be my one-time show. But I wanted to do the first moment in this beautiful sari that I will ever be on this red carpet. It's also the first red carpet global event that I am attending. So the sari was definitely the first thing जो मैंने lock कर लिया था कि हाँ ये तो हम करेंगे. Now when I was planning my red carpet sari, I realized that I want to take a more modern approach. I want it to be like a western gown met a sari because most of the people wear gowns at the red carpet at Cannes. They wear these very elaborate, very poofy gowns, and I didn't want to do a very big moment. I wanted it to be very comfortable also because at the end of the day, ये एक film festival है and everyone walks around and moves around and the red carpet is only like a 1 minute thing and उसके बाद आपको movie देखने जाना है. You're going for a movie premiere. So I want to be comfortable, an outfit which I can easily spread and easily gather together and then just go for the movie. So that was definitely in the mind कि वो functional होना चाहिए. Okay, so since this is my Cannes debut, I really wanted to make it count and I wanted to take India to the global level in every way possible. And I think one of the most beautiful ways to do that is to show Indian culture in different fabrics. And so I decided that I would not just do one sari, I would do all the events in only saris. So Sara in saris through and through would be like the Cannes beautiful roundup that would look like so nice because in my head I had these colorful saris and different handlooms of select parts of India that at least I can carry because overall 3 events हो रहे हैं. There's a welcome dinner, there's a red carpet, the movie premiere, and then we've got a panel discussion. These are like the 3 events that I am invited to. Everybody has different invites and mostly 3 is like a really gracious number that Brut has offered me. Mostly I think people just have the movie premiere or something like that, but I am invited to 3 events. So I have planned different saris, different styles and different textures and different fabrics and everything that वो अलग एकदम हटके लगे. I think by now you have, if you follow me on Instagram, seen everything. सारा कुछ आप लोगों ने देख लिया होगा, but अगर आपने नहीं देखा है then go follow me there. You will get to know why I did saris and how I could highlight different fabrics, textures, designs and parts of India through my content. I've been so mindful of this entire experience because I'm an Indian creator, of course. I'm born, brought up here. I'm very true to my roots, but also my brand. Like, it's Sara Sarush into Impulse Coffees and my brand is also made in India. The ethos of my brand is about promoting Indian farmers, Indian farms, Indian coffee to the global level. So Impulse Coffees is all about that. So I wanted to partner with brands that think on the same lines, which is why I'm partnering with only and only Indian brands for my skincare, for my makeup collaborations, and also only partnering with Indian designers. And the top of my mind when I wanted to make my red carpet outfit was Kalki Fashion. If you remember, the first Sara in sari look happened in Paris. First solo trip that I ever took, I wore this beautiful red sari which was fully as a bejeweled sari thi, and itni, like, that sari made me feel like every girl deserves to feel the way that sari made me feel on the streets of Paris. And you know what the iconic part about wearing a sari abroad is that everyone who looks at you says, oh my god, you look so beautiful. Like, nobody has ever looked at me in a sari when I wore it in Japan, when I wore it in New York, when I wore it in this and looked and, you know, made a face. They always look in awe because the sari just does that. It just makes you look so flattering and makes you look so beautiful and makes you feel so confident. So when I asked Kalki if they would be interested to do my red carpet outfit, they were all hands on deck. It was so fun. Like, we had a video call, we discussed ideas, hamara pura mood board, then we went ahead with the process. Everything that I'm showing you you in this video. इस आउटफिट के साथ ना एक और फुल सर्कल मोमेंट अटैच्ड है. मैं जब भी मम्मी के साथ ईद शॉपिंग जाती थी, मैं, मम्मी और सबरीना, हम लोग सांता क्रूज स्टेशन हमेशा जाते थे ईद शॉपिंग के लिए. इफ यू आर फ्रॉम मुंबई you would know Santa Cruz station has a lot of stores like designer outfits and a lot of affordable outfits also you get over there. और कल्की का तो बड़ा सा स्टोर है उधर Santa Cruz में. I used to pass it every time and they had such beautiful outfits and display. We would not even step inside because we knew it was too expensive for us to shop anything from Kalki. I remember even trying a few outfits during Sabrina's wedding, and that time I had started creating content and it was too expensive for us to buy that at that time. For Sabrina's wedding for myself I could not, but that time I was not like disheartened because I had already started creating content. I had told mummy once while leaving the store कि किसी दिन मैं बड़ी influencer बन जाऊंगी ना तो कल्की मेरे को खुद कपड़े भेजेगा. And when Kalki had started sourcing for me, that time only I used to feel so happy that I was like, oh my god, Kalki sends me outfits. I had that moment. But when I was in this design process with the team, I can't tell you what I was feeling. Like the feeling was something else. From just passing that store to not being able to buy anything from the store to now sitting with the designers and designing an outfit for my red carpet moment. Like it's a full circle like no full circle felt for me. Honestly, that moment my heart knew that I've come really, really far, and that happened for me in this. And you will see how beautiful it was to work with the Kalki designers. Like they literally brought my vision to life. Like Sharon and I had this very, very descriptive mood board कि हमको कैसे like तैयार होना है. We had a lot of ideas, a lot of silhouettes, a lot of things put together. They took that and they took every inspiration and they created an even better mood board, and then the process started from there. So I'm so excited to share this entire journey with y'all. सबसे पहले before we pitched to Kalki, we had a mood board in general ready about how we want the red carpet look to look. So Sharon and I had a mind set कि हमको एक corset blouse करना है. I really want to look very snatched on the red carpet, and nothing does it like a corset does it. And I wanted that very like bold effect, and I love my like collarbones and my shoulders in general to show. So I wanted that to be out there, and it just to look very flattered and snatched. So corsets and drapes was the memo that हम लोग ने दिया था, and I wanted to do a darker color. I was leaning more towards like a midnight blue or a purple, like a darker color for sure, because dark colors really look good on my skin tone, make me look really nice. And then the carpet is red, so I didn't want to do any color to clash on the red carpet. So with all of these things in mind, we had prepared a very simple mood board जो Pinterest से हम लोगों ने references लेके निकाला था. And then over that Kalki gave us a very descriptive mood board, a full like design plan and silhouettes and everything, and the whole designing process of this is really, really beautiful. I hope you enjoy this video. You will love it, I'm sure. If you've stuck around till now and you love my outfit from scratch videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, join the Sarah squad. I'm sure you'll love it here. And with that, we can dive straight into the making of my red carpet outfit. It's the 27th of March and today we are having a discussion for my main red carpet outfit with Kalki. This is going to be very interesting. This is our first meeting together.
Was given by your team was corsets and drapes. Basically, you wanted corsets and drapes. So when we say corset and drape, it actually provides a good structure to your upper body.
Right.
And then for your lower body, it creates like a good flow or something. You can kind of play with a lot of drapes for the lower body, and upper body corset styles can be also different. If you go on the next slide, there are a few silhouette references that we have collected. So you can see the corset styles are also very different. Some have like a peplum corset, some have a straight corset, some have a V-cut corset, and the drapes are also different. If we are going for a straighter fish cut, then we can play with the drapes around the necks, or we can play with the drapes attached to the corset. We can have like a corset blouse, a drape skirt, and it can be draped as a sari also. So it can be a fusion also. So we have a lot of options to play with, provided to like from the options that are there. Then we have also in the next was given to us that we are looking for something electric blue or gold, or we can do a mixture of both. The embroideries can be like, if we are taking a base as electric blue, we can put in gold embroideries in it. We can have, or we can do a mix and match of the fabric also, electric blue and gold. So we can do a mix and match of both also, or we can go with a single color also, like electric blue or gold. Like it can be completely gold also, it can be completely electric blue. That is the option that we can create.
Okay.
Then the next slide.
Is there anything specific about the colors? Like, is there a theme in cans like blue?
No. There's no theme.
Theme or color anything. Yeah. Okay.
I really like the second one, the 050C41. That's the shade of blue I'm looking at. Like more on the deeper side.
More like
Aqua
not
gray.
electric blue, like more on the deep
More on the deeper side, like not the ones in the picture next to it. The blues are a little more vibrant. I feel like the deeper we go, and then if we do gold or champagne work over it, that would really shine. Or the corset blouse photo that Sharon just sent, if you see that photo on the group, Sian, that photo has both gold and the silver work.
Yeah.
So we were thinking if we want to do a mix of gold and silver, then we go as deep as possible on the blue. I really like the silhouette mood board, and there were more ideas there, so we can definitely select from that silhouette mood board for the silhouette of the corset. But color wise, since I'm on the deeper side and there will be a lot of lights over there, it's a red carpet, right? So we don't want the color to be very light or very shabby looking also. I think the line is very fine in blue. If we go something super electric or like very this, it can look very like cheap also. So we don't want that fine line needs to be crossed.
This kind of royal blue, not like shiny blue. Royal blue, deeper blue you want, right?
I feel royal blue is still electric. It's more electric. Midnight blue is how I would say.
Midnight is the right.
Yeah, midnight blue is like almost inching towards like a black, but not a black.
Few fabric options that we have in house. So you can see these fabrics also. They are almost in the same color tone zone that we are looking for. So these are a few embroidery options that we have taken out online. Can be a lot of geometrical work, very minimum, and it can go in the corset shape, or it can be scattered work on the corset. A collection that we have made in Kalki.
Yeah.
This is a completely gold, and this is blue and a peach combination. The first
We
picture
can
that
convert
you
the
see.
outfits according to your color
Yeah.
palette.
So this is for you to get an idea that this is the kind of drapes that we can do. This is how the looks. Just for you to see and get an idea of the drapes and all, how the garments. You can imagine it better.
Yeah.
You can imagine it better. Then the next slide we have. So this is just an for you, and this can be done in the colors or can be accommodated in the designs that we select or the silhouettes we select. We can obviously come out with a different embroidery only altogether. But this is for you to get an idea of our garments which we already have embroidered.
Like the fourth one can easily go to wedding-y, and we don't want it to look like shadi. Like with this, because we are only doing saris in our entire this, so I don't want it to look like shadi. So the fourth one I feel like can become very wedding-y very easily. The fifth one is more edgy. So
The peach one,
the peach one, it has those flowers, but they are edgy and they're geometric.
Yeah, it is. I look slightly different. Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe on those lines, if we are thinking, even the first one is really nice. I think
Look
that
very pretty. Yeah.
just flowing on the corset would look. What do you guys think?
Yeah, we can go with the first one also and the second one also, or we can do a mixture of both also. So it depends upon the silhouette that we are choosing, final silhouette. And then we can decide what kind of embroidery will look nice on. So the first sketch is like a corset, a gown with a drape on it, which makes it look like a gown cum sari. Be a mixture of both. Then the second design is a corset gown, which has a trail at the back. Then the third design has two options, as in one is a corset and a skirt with a choker dupatta.
Okay.
And or else we can do the same silhouette but with a drape which looks like a sari drape.
What do you think, Sharon?
I like the trail that's going on the second one. Do you like that?
Yeah, I was thinking the trail of the second one. I don't know if this will be too much, but this trail of the second one, but the full design of design 3 option 2.
And there are more sketches as well in the next slide.
Because design 2 takes away from the vision of a sari, and we don't we can't do corset gowns because then it won't be a sari, which might not go with this design too. So I feel like once we narrow down the silhouette, maybe the design sketch will change a little. I like design 3. Like that's the kind of corset I was thinking, with a deeper cleavage, and then we can sort of play with the pallu if we add a pallu to the design 3. What do you think, Mona?
Yeah, we can do that. You can do it from the shoulder, from the bust point also.
Yeah.
Or you can do it from the waist also. Both the options can be done.
Several days later.
Alright guys, it is the 15th of April और आज हम जा रहे हैं for the first look and selection of our red carpet fit. The red carpet fit for the Cannes Film Festival for me is being done by Kalki Fashion. You all know I'm doing saris by now if you've understood the vlog. My entire lookbook, my entire theme for my Cannes debut is going to be Sara in saris. We are a little late on schedule. We wanted to do this last week, but unfortunately I fell sick with food poisoning and वो last week नहीं हो पाया. We had to reschedule. तो अभी we are doing it this week, and inshallah I was hoping everything is ready in time. This is the first sari which is being made. The other saris are also in makes with other designers, but since the red carpet sari is Kalki, that's the biggest, most important look that needs to be perfect. We want to be a part of the full selection, like from the fabric to the काम क्या हो रहा है, to the silhouette, everything we are going to decide today, and then फिर उन लोग काम शुरू करेंगे उसपे. तो अब तक काम बिल्कुल शुरू नहीं हुआ है. I'm not panicking, I'm not stressed at all, because I know that we have our designers locked now. Now all they have to do is do the work, and then we have to do the accessorizing and the shopping for the nitty-gritties, which we will start. So we have a good 1 month, exactly 1 month from today, we will be taking a flight to south of France.
I didn't know that I was coming.
Of course you're coming. Yeah. I told you only, no, when I told you, Sharon, we are going. I took your reaction. No, I didn't take your reaction. No, because I just came out of the bedroom and I told you.
Yeah. Because it was so, now we were.
Yeah, that time it was, when we came to know, it was so, like, what? And
Yeah, we were so shocked.
yeah, we were so shocked. And then I told Sharon, of course you're coming. Like, I'm allowed a +1, and that was obviously going to be Sharon, because sari drape करने तो आता ही नहीं है, तो वो तो basic ही I need Sharon. तो उसके ऊपर तो I definitely need her. And then we're taking Amit also, so it'll be worth it. It'll be fun, and I'm so excited to do this with you all. I'm very calm because right now Sharon is panicking, so it's only best that one of us panics. Because 2 panicking women is not a good idea. So
Not at all.
yeah, Amit is तो chilling in Kolkata, उसको फर्क भी नहीं पड़ रहा है. So उसको सिर्फ वो उधर जाके hopefully stress ले ले तो मैं खुश रहूँगी. कभी भी स्ट्रेस ले ले लाइफ में तो मैं खुश रहूंगी. But right now we are in like a 50% place. Everything is 50% done for us. Our brand collaborations are 50% locked. Our designers are 90% locked. They need to do the work. Our shopping, we know what to shop, like accessories. We have a fair idea. So I'm in a good place for sure mentally and not panicking. I think हमारा माशाल्लाह से बहुत जल्दी confirm हो गया for the Cannes Film Festival. We were one of the first few that got confirmed. So I have a lot of time to do all this. Like I have come to know मेरे सूत्रों से कि अभी भी लोग confirmations भेज रहे हैं, and people are still getting selected for Cannes. So if they are doing it now, then I feel like those people will have very little time. So we've been blessed with a lot of time to do this for sure.
A few moments later.
Use 2 silhouettes and make like
Yeah,
one
make
garment
one.
out of it. So that all customization can be done.
These are the silhouettes. These are the
Color
fabrics.
palette. We have 3 color palettes. This is dark blue, this is in oceanic,
Yeah.
and this is gold.
Gold. Those gold fabrics also can be used.
Yeah.
Those gold fabrics can be also used if you like any particular color shade or something that
Yeah.
can be also added. Or
These 2 shades are really nice. This one though, I really like the silhouette now that I'm seeing it in person. No, the last one. For my skin tone, I've noticed that darker the better with like the colors that I get photographed in.
Okay.
So that's why like I'm just afraid such colors might wash me out.
okay.
But I'm open to like you guys also suggesting anything and
Gold will
everything.
also look very nice.
Yeah, gold would look really
will
nice.
also look very nice, and shades from this.
Yeah,
palette
this
will
palette
also
is
look
where I'm
very nice
leaning,
on,
yeah.
You, so we can either go on this palette or this palette.
Like this floral with
Which one? This shimmery one? No. This and that can you keep?
This one.
Fabric. Yeah, this.
This is one. This is one.
This is one. Okay.
Yeah, 3 we select.
This combination also looks pretty.
yeah. This one is also very good fabric, and the second, first, second, third are the best.
All three. All
Yeah.
three will give you a good fall also, and it will look nice also.
I really like this neckline and
Yeah,
the
it's
purchase,
nice.
but then the only catch is the blouse or the pallu in that first one. This is definitely a strong contender. Like this is how we are imagining the blouse. Sharon, see this one or this one?
This is what you like that day also.
Yeah, this is what I like that day also.
This is the fabric. Where is that one?
Let's keep
The
blue
brown
also
one.
with this, no? This isn't getting
The brown one. This is not the brown one.
the other one.
The brown one.
ये बहुत dark नहीं हो गया? I think yeah, these two will go better than this. But अपने पे तो पूरा काम होगा ना?
हाँ पूरा तो वो फैब्रिक दिखेगा नहीं.
हाँ.
दिखेगा ही नहीं, yeah.
पीछे से we are gonna do those clutches, right? What are we thinking?
Whatever you want. You want tie-up or you want hook and eye, then we can do an hook and eye also.
Hook and eye only. Well, it will look seamless on the back. So I don't want such detachable like bases where the hip is like ऐसा मतलब ऐसा नहीं चाहिए मुझे. This should be seamless. Like how this is very seamless. Like when you're wearing a corset sari, let the corset and the down portion be pre-draped and properly fitted. Like I don't want to do this अजीब सा दिख रहा है ये 2 points में. This is very nice. So this much this is better looking than that one for some reason. No? What is
That
weird about that?
only has 2 pleats.
2 pleats.
This has more
pleats. Yeah. So you're saying this, but as a corset.
Yeah.
And then this looks amazing. Yeah. This looks.
You like this? I like this also. No?
But then फिर तू ही बोली corset तो करना
नहीं 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 हाँ कॉर्सेट ही बट उस स्लीव्स में थोड़ा स्लीव्स में या इट विल फॉल लाइक अ
अच्छा, not a tube corset.
नो नो नॉट अ ट्यूब कॉर्सेट ओनली बट जस्ट यू नो एज एन
Then
अटैचमेंट
let's not do this the full. Then let's bear the middle for a little on this variation. Let's keep one variation with a little midriff showing.
हाँ मतलब स्टिल कॉर्सेट ओनली बट स्लाइटली शो
Just थोड़ा सा, फिर ज्यादा midriff दिखना चाहिए. साड़ी पहन रहे हो तो फिर
ओह
इतना कम दिखना नहीं अच्छा लगता. Like इतना ही होना चाहिए ना ब्लाउज तो साड़ी का.
3 to 4 inches से दिखना चाहिए.
हाँ, अगर साड़ी है, how you are wearing right now, the pants, your skirt
Yeah,
should
this
start
much.
from there and your blouse should be
This much should be visible in a
If
sari.
you
so
are
I'm saying-
leaving the midriff open,
Huh.
then that's an ideal.
Exactly. And then your pallu
Done.
passes from between.
Yeah.
Done.
This is an ideal sari fit. Again, certainly it will go timeless fashion where we are trying to go high class. We don't want to be confused. We'll do that silhouette with this design. And we'll do the corset. Can we do the corset with this and this?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Then please. Because corset is the main thing. Na? और फिर वो नेट डाल
And for the sari also, you want 2 color options. For that, you want same embroidery.
अच्छा आई वांटेड टू आल्सो चेक विद सारी पल्लू पे आर वी डूइंग समथिंग व्हाट आर आवर प्लान्स ऑन दैट
That's what she's asking. Sari pe also you want embroidery and.
Sari also no, and the embroidery for the blouse, like the blouse that you chose, you want this embroidery, right?
हाँ.
And corset also this embroidery and this embroidery.
या
Let's stick with 2 only.
तो सारी पे embroidery
For variation.
Or we can add on the purple.
या बिल्कुल ही खाली अच्छा नहीं लगेगा
pallu and niche also I was thinking.
nothing too much because again it is you know she's walking and ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि she
बट मैं heels पहनने वाली हूँ मेजरमेंट heels के हिसाब से.
नीचे ही अच्छा लगेगा I think. Because corset में is already.
So my question
not the
was,
entire pallu yeah नीचे
blouse
only
that we are making, that
Yeah,
we are making in blue and champagne. So blue and champagne, you want this embroidery only.
the champagne would be this and the blue one would let it be that only क्योंकि वो champagne में I cannot imagine ये कैसा लगेगा
Corsets के लिए we are making 2. One we are doing this embroidery, we are doing this embroidery. Then again in the blouse we are doing 2 options, gold and blue. So for that you want only this embroidery in both, or you want again
Yeah, only this embroidery.
Yeah.
for that blouse ना
Yeah.
हाँ
This
blouse yes
you stick to this embroidery in both colors.
Okay.
In corset you do both for me because I want to see your corset in this also, in blue also, in champagne. This entire thing. But mostly what I'm thinking is going to look the best is going to be this work all over with that drama at the back.
Yeah.
It'll look really good. That is what I'm thinking. I will try it. Don't know ना पहनने के बाद नहीं लगेगा.
वही
काम करने से पहले एक फिटिंग करानी चाहिए क्या?
हाँ mock.
mock. We'll get a corset mock done for you, and you try that corset. So we will know the measurement, and then all the garments will
वैसा
get.
तो करते
Mock
हैं.
का हाँ mock का तो
But मुझे सिर्फ measurement का डर है. I'm not doubting the work also. And so many options are there. Last में भी just have to do नीचे का भी fit हो जाएगा.
Several days later.
It's the 23rd of April today and we are going for the first mock-up fitting for my red carpet outfit. So only the mock-up is ready, nothing else is ready. They are making 4 saris in total with all the color combinations and all the different blouse designs that we decided on our first meeting. First meeting was super fruitful. उसमें हमने सब कुछ ही decide कर लिया है. अभी measurements and everything are given. तो mock-up एक बार try कर लेते because corset बनाना है तो corset blouse का fitting has to be really good. I don't want the fitting to be abrupt and that's the reason why we are doing a fitting today for the mock-up. The speed at which it's going, I'm glad it's going so fast because now designing, embroidery, all that will take a lot of time because पूरा हाथ का काम होने वाला है पूरी साड़ी पे. अब it will take like अच्छा खासा 2 हफ्ता to just do the embroidery. I don't even know लोग 2 हफ्ते में कैसे करेंगे. ये पूरा ही साड़ी पे भी पूरी embroidery होगी और ब्लाउज पे भी पूरी embroidery होगी. But today we'll just go and get the fitting of the mock-up ready.
1 hour later.
I like this also. I like this also, and the length is also perfect. But अच्छा खासा 2 इंच है.
बहुत ज़्यादा है, वेट लूज के लिए.
I think जानबूझ के मास्टर ने लूज सिलाया है क्या, क्योंकि टाइट कर सकते हैं.
पूछ सकते हैं. We have 2 more options. You can try those also.
ये तो बहुत ही लूज है. ये
हाँ,
आपको
this
कितना
is
किधर?
ऊपर दी. ये
इधर
ऊपर
पहनने का
ऊपर
सोच.
पहनना चाहिए.
मतलब ये अंदर जाएगा ना.
हाँ, ये
ये
अंदर
ऊपर से
जाएगा.
अच्छा
Yes,
लग
ये
रहा है.
अंदर ही जाएगा.
हाँ. Yeah, the drape is
Yeah.
looking so. Drape is looking good, but इसमें कुछ फ्लेयर नहीं दिया है. वो white वाले में फ्लेयर
हाँ,
है ना.
उसमें है.
Yeah, इसका fitting is perfect. This corset is fitting perfect. I have not lost weight. Good to know that this was slightly on the looser side, but I like the shape better. I don't like the shape that much. ये थोड़ा ऐसा पोकी वाला feeling. I think उसमें applique आएगा या जो भी आएगा उसके बाद और चुभेगा. But this makes me look snitch. I think that's just not fitting well. That's why that will also make me look. This is a conservative neckline. Okay, I'll show. नीचे के लिए एक और option नहीं है ना? ये तो पूरा ही outfit है. उनको बुला लो एक और साइड देखो. No, but I like the boning when it's inside. I like this completely.
So it will go inside only. This is just a mock.
हाँ.
ये फैब्रिक पे बना है ना हमने इसके लिए, और ये डबली प्रॉपर ताकि दिखे कि कहाँ से बोलिंग आ रही है.
इसकी माप परफेक्ट है.
Yeah.
और मतलब और cinch हो.
This is
और भी आप कर
The
सकते
length
हो.
is also fine, I guess.
Yeah, it's perfect.
हाँ, थोड़ा और cinch हो सकता है, but length is good.
Cinch
Yeah.
तो आप कर दो.
Cinch तो कर
क्योंकि
देंगे.
थोड़ा I think और inch loss हो सकता है, but yeah, this looks great.
And then वो पीछे से जाके
यहाँ
वो
से
इधर
wrap
से
होके-
रैप होएगा.
हाँ, ये रैप होके यहाँ आ जाएगा।
Corset
तो
पे
ये
attached
खुलेगा,
है.
ये
हाँ.
खुलेगा। Actually
अपने
तो-
ऊपर है ना, अपने को कितना खोलना है नहीं खोलना है.
हाँ, ये तो हमारे ऊपर
हाँ.
डिपेंड है।
ऐसा है.
I really like
Oh,
this one.
nice.
And
So
it,
it's oh my god.
this
Back side
इसमें
पे
जो
और ऊपर लगेगा।
boning है that will come till नीचे नहीं ना.
यहाँ
नहीं
पे
नहीं,
देखो,
this is
देखो।
this much
Side में
only.
This
देखो
will
तो-
we will provide that
Hook and eye.
hook and eye
हाँ.
and the
Attachment.
fasteners that you will have to just
Right.
plug it in.
But then how do we show it as a sari if we will not have that pallu नीचे? इस
Pallu we have na. This
ये
is the
क्या
only
pallu?
pallu.
both you are saying.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is the only one pallu na.
This is the drape and then this is the
Yeah.
element that we are adding to it.
It will become too much.
Right now there is too much color and texture happening, so I don't
Yeah.
think you can visualize because
When
अब
it's
देख-
in one
ये
color,
पूरा काम
blue,
होगा, इस पे
suppose
काम होगा.
champagne,
हाँ.
yeah.
Yeah. When it's in one color, I think it will
Yeah.
give you a better idea. So this will be detachable
Bag में भी
only.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
if you want to keep, not keep it.
बैग
not
में इतना
wear.
बस है ना, ये देखिए, ये यहाँ तक ये देखिए।
But I think
थोड़ा और लेंथ बढ़ाना चाहिए ना मुझे लगता है.
किसका?
इसका इधर
हाँ.
से इधर से
थोड़ा
इसको
सा और-
इसको इधर से करना चाहिए ताकि वो उसमें
कर सकते हैं. वो
What
तो
are
अपने
you
ऊपर है
thinking?
ना.
Both is looking too much.
because then to me visually it is getting distracted because this is a distraction if it goes from
I don't like this now.
That-
Yeah.
हाँ.
I think इसमें ये भी कह सकते हैं कि हम लोग यहाँ पीछे ना नॉट पट्टी जो आती है ना, वो बांध सकते हैं, जितना लूज कंफर्टेबल होगा वो हिसाब से टाइट कर सकते
और
हैं।
फिर वो दिखेगा ना ट्रांसपेरेंट है तो दिखेगा ना कि पीछे नॉट बांधा है वो गंदा दिखेगा ना.
हाँ.
नॉट ही बांधा है तो पट्टी जैसे उसको वर्क कर देंगे तो वो भी खूबसूरत लगेगा।
what I was thinking is we add something to this where it flows नीचे.
You want something from this way. ऐसे
हाँ,
नीचे जाता हुआ वहाँ से.
yeah, so तो पल्लू भी दिखेगा and then there will be, so there is nothing going सामने से, because right now पीछे से भी जा रहा है, हाथ में भी है, सामने भी है.
But that will look too Indo-Western, not sari then.
But
If you want
It
to
will
create
give
a
a
sari
gown
look,
look
then
there.
you should
It will
add this.
actually
Yeah.
make it look like a gown rather
Yeah.
than a sari.
If you want, we can give. Not a
The
problem.
minute it's this, it's looking.
It's only this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looking good. It's not looking like a sari. Then
Yeah,
we've
but-
lost the.
yeah,
Yeah,
Sari
then
was the
that Indian look is gone.
Yeah.
The thing is, all our other outfits are sari, and then if our red carpet is not a sari, then we are not selling that story properly.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Then that can't get disturbed, na.
Or what we do is we make the trail smaller and then make this as a pallu again, because right now if you, like you said, if we add pallu to this then dono trail looks too much.
Yeah, this trail would be difficult to walk in also. That's why we have
No, we
decided
shorten the
pallu.
length and
हाँ.
trail also.
Yeah, that
You're
will
keeping in पल्लू तो इसका कोई मतलब नहीं.
Right now, this kind of a pallu is
Yeah,
just
detachable
not.
type
it's
का
looking
look आ
very
रहा है.
funny.
Yeah, yeah.
तो ये
ऐसा
सारी
तो कुछ
ये
है वो
देखो।
जो सीधा जा रहा हो वैसे टाइप का.
इसमें से ही अगर अपना
We
पल्लू
can
आ रहा हो
make.
और फिर अपन नीचे
हो
पीछे
जाएगा वो,
उस पे ड्रामा देते
तो
हैं
इसी
बट
पे डाल
अपने को
सकते
ये
हैं।
कंपोनेंट अच्छा लगा तो इसका कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे फिर
हाँ but then
But
again
one outfit, what you are saying, we can do, and one outfit,
Yeah.
we are doing 4, right?
जो पल्लू गिरेगा ना उस या हाँ तो देन इट विल लुक लाइक अ साड़ी
साड़ी,
आल्सो
yes.
एंड उसी पे अपन ड्रामा देते हैं पीछे
Cool.
काम करके
no, the moment you drop then आपका ये part वो हो जाएगा. If you
Cover.
cannot drop it. If you pin it then you cannot open it there.
yeah that's in full my control of how I pose
No,
it.
because this they have pre-stitched, slightly
Yeah.
on the
yeah, I'm
pallu.
not saying वो मुझे बहुत फनी लग रहा है वो एकदम फोर्स्ड लग रहा है वैसा वाला प्लीटेड पल्लू
हाँ,
मुझे
हाँ.
फोर्स्ड
अगर आप खुला रखोगे then you will not have any control to make it stay on your shoulder. It will keep falling. That is only problem.
वो पीछे से आता हुआ लुक एक क्रिएट करके they'll send you the
Or
picture.
else
she's
you
done
can do
the
it.
same thing but she's pleated it and she's kept like
Yes.
with
Yeah,
fashion
fashion.
tape or something but our pallu will be much heavier na
Yeah, if we are going to add work
Adhiba,
also,
clip मिला
then leaving it on your shoulder.
Yeah, because we can keep it open, but then it will keep
हाँ,
falling
चलेगा.
एक
because there is
फैब्रिक
है
मंगा
और-
के
इसीलिए मैं अभी
Or the one that is
Try
coming
करते हैं
from
ना.
here,
अभी
that will
plain
go
fabric
from
लेकर
the
आओ ना.
shoulder,
प्लेन
हाँ.
and
में
then
क्यों
it has
तुम्हारी
to
हेल्थ
be
की होती है
little tighter, that it is stitched.
But
Yeah.
clip लेकर आना ना.
tighter, and then you can take the weight.
we'll
off.
have to pin it then पीछे your shoulder so that it इतना ही गिरे तो समझिए इधर
वो समझा
हाँ,
that
तो
तो we can do.
अभी-
This also I like.
Yeah.
this looks
Very
Yeah.
pretty.
ये सेट किया जाएगा बाकायदा
This is
ही।
giving
So then if
more
we
volume to
if
all
we
the
doing
same
this now, then you
looking
should
eyes.
avoid that.
yeah
Yeah,
Then
for
you should
sure.
avoid that for
Completely.
yeah. because this is then too much then
Yeah, yeah,
then
we-
like you're confused
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Which is, this looks really pretty.
Yeah.
Looks like a sari also because it
Sari
is.
with the more
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
because the red carpet should scream the main story we are trying to sell now so we can't
हाँ, we
detach
cannot
from the
detach from
story
the
yeah
One more of this much is enough. थोड़ा और करो.
This is enough.
Yeah, yeah. This is
perfect this will
वो थोड़ा work
arrange
के
this and then
हाँ.
if I'm done then I can
Hold it like that, yeah. That also looks good.
I won't be this excited for my wedding
yeah, sure. Come to us.
the corset is our main preference so we are doing the corset in this and this but this is not pink this will be gold
Gold.
okay
So the gold.
this like this
Yeah.
okay ठीक है this is this will be the fabric of the corset too
So that is
Okay.
what, no? One blue, one gold.
हाँ.
One blue, one gold.
okay yes
फुल वैसे ही बात होगा ना.
Right, the first mock-up fitting is also done and I'm so freaking excited now. I am really excited for this look, you guys. I can imagine it. I visualized it. Like in my head when I was looking at myself in the mirror, I saw myself on the red carpet wearing this with that pallu going down the stairs. I am so excited. Like अभी तक honestly मुझे इतनी excitement हो नहीं रही है. It's 23rd April and I'm like हाँ ठीक है. Like I had that excitement when I first got to know and then it slowly fizzled out. It went into stress a little bit and now I felt nothing till today. Now I feel excited. Now I'm like, it's gonna look so good. It's gonna be like my Barbie doll moment for sure. Like, you know,
Barbie doll is not the word.
what is the word then?
Goddess is the word.
It's so pretty. It's so like the silhouette is flowing so nicely. And now I like the pallu. You know, पहले वो जो detachable pallu था वो बहुत forced लग रहा था. वो ऐसा लग रहा था कि गाउन बनाया और गाउन पे पल्लू डाला है. अब अगर कमर पे से पल्लू आ रहा है तो वो साड़ी जैसा लग रहा है. I'm going to Kolkata this weekend to work with a Bengali designer on 2 of my designs. So 2 designs are coming from Kolkata. 2 designs. Kalki is doing one of them is going to be this is one custom piece जो red carpet के लिए हो रहा है. दूसरा is going to be a Firozi साड़ी. अभी ये जाने तक तो सब कुछ looks reveal हो जाएंगे and everything's going to be on Instagram. So this is the time you got to be following me on Instagram. First I'm going to drop my looks on Instagram. The Firozi saree also with the velvet blouse will look so good. So we are taking like different styles and different parts of India, not just the sari, different parts of India also. We're taking Assam, we're taking Lucknow, we're taking Bengal and then modern. Everything is going to be there.
Several days later.
ये तो डमी इधर ही है. Okay. Can I turn? Does it look good? You have to give me.
I also not seen it.
Close my eyes and
My hand so tensed max.
I have to see. Oh my god, it looks too good. It looks too good. What do you guys think? Am I going to choose blue or am I going to choose champagne? Well, actually, आप लोगों ने तो देख लिया है ना already because the vlog is going to, the shots, the reveal is going to happen on Instagram. तो वो तो हो गया होगा अब तक. मुझे खुद को नहीं पता है मैं क्या पहन रही हूँ. Guys, I need to turn.
No.
No, I'm not looking from there. You've already taken the outfit videos.
I have because I'm just telling what's what I love. I don't know what I love.
Oh my god, I think you love blue, isn't it? Definitely.
I think
Share.
only you will love us. You know the look.
Blue has been what we had in mind. You're gonna cry over it.
I'm excited to see you in it.
Because blue is what Sharon wanted from the beginning. She wanted a blue. Let's see what looks good on me.
Guys, the blue one is so good. I think Sarah would look amazing in it.
In both. We'll take both.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Why do I like this better?
Really?
Maybe I'm the model. But this also looks. Oh, fine. The work down looks so good. Stunning. The blue also looks stunning. I love this blouse. This color of this blouse is looking too good. The work down looks so nice. Oh my god. Should I wear it? Why not? Which one should I wear?
Wear that first.
This blouse is everything. This blouse and that sari like you were thinking. What do you think?
Yeah, you can.
We were seeing
That sari and this blouse.
the
पहन के देखना पड़ेगा.
corset comes so nice. I'm very excited for this corset.
Love the blue more because this one feels like the embroidery is blended.
I think this, like, as soon as I saw this, it was very eye-catching. Like, I don't know on me because the mannequin is black. I don't know contrast me better. But let's see, we'll try
Yeah,
all the
yeah, yeah.
combination. This is the other blouse option, the applique blouse. This is also so stunning. So stunning. Oh my god. Both are beautiful. You made skirts for both of them?
Yeah.
But these ones don't have trail, na? मतलब ये this also looks very nice, yeah. It's going to be a very difficult choice to make.
5 minutes later.
This, what are we thinking?
See, it can go shorter also if you want. I can shorten it also.
Pallu.
Yeah. So, not from there. I'll shorten
This to Sharon will be there on the carpet to arrange for.
But we can
pallu-
shorten it. We
I
can
think-
shorten it. I'll shorten it.
I feel very comfortable. That is, I think I will be able to walk in this. That's, the sari is not heavy. That matlab, for me to carry, I'm able to walk. I'm only right now scared कि मुझे काम नहीं तोड़ना. बस ऐसा ऐसे
हाँ,
नहीं चल
that-
सकती ना. थोड़ा और ऊंची हील लूँ क्या रफल?
If you are comfortable, wear it a little more higher.
I am comfortable with. Anyways, this color is not
This is
vibing.
three,
So
right?
I don't know. I didn't
Yeah,
measure.
this is
three. Okay.
2.5 होगा, 3 नहीं होगा.
3 नहीं होगा मेरे ख्याल से. 2.5 होगा.
इनमें 4 और 5.
4 or 5.
ठीक है. Boys. थोड़ा आलू. Okay, back.
Heavy Indian materials don't stay.
Like when
It
the
will be
light
tighter. Any corset you wear, you will
Don't disturb the light.
Yeah, put this one.
Disturb the
This
light.
one.
You can on the
Put
chair.
on this one and it sticks it.
ठीक है.
On the chair.
Yeah, I will carry it.
On the chair. On the chair.
Embroidery of this is really nice. Yeah, this embroidery is really nice.
It stands
It's
out,
not
no?
looking mismatched with the नीचे का काम ना.
No,
It's
no.
the same color. ये मैं खुद से तो नहीं कर पाऊंगी. इसको तुम शॉर्टन थोड़ा कर दो कि मैं खुद से जितना कर सकूं. अगर ये भी ज्यादा है, should we make this कम?
That you cannot make come, no? Can you? You can?
थोड़ा हो जाएगा ना ऊपर से पलेमान का.
Because सामने से it's fine. What is coming ahead is the पीछे का this thing.
पीछे से सामने से नहीं के. हो
मैं
जाएगा.
बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि शेरिन को भी फिक्स करने ना कार्पेट पे रियलिस्टिकली दोनों ट्रेन पॉसिबल है क्या फिक्स करना?
See this much.
People
ये
do.
बेटर है शेरिन.
This much.
हाँ हाँ पीछे से करना पड़ेगा because आगे का लेंथ इज परफेक्ट द वन दैट इज बिहाइंड इज कमिंग अहेड इसलिए वो
हाँ, so
अनकंफर्टेबल
थोड़ा सा
हाँ,
we can do it.
yeah, yeah.
Length from behind can be done.
बिकॉज
आगे
ट्राइंग
का इज परफेक्ट.
या
दिस आई एम सेइंग लाइक लेट्स अगर ये पूरा इवन ही हो.
नहीं वो नहीं करना बिकॉज दिस ड्रेप विल गेट टेम्पर्ड
हाँ,
हाँ,
it will
no,
not
no.
come proper.
Yeah.
If you do even वाला length वो up and down वाला fall नहीं आएगा.
ओके व्हाट कैन वी डू देन?
Length हो जाएगा ना.
अच्छा
The length
हाँ,
will
ये
be
जो
done.
ड्रामा आपने दिया है ना, अगर वो हम काट दे तो पॉसिबल है
थोड़ा
ना
सा
काम का?
like little. From up
Slightly.
only I'll have to take because from down if I do then the work
काम
will get.
will-
But the length will go see.
बट हाँ बट बहुत कम नहीं हो रहा है सारा वो.
इधर ड्रामा कम करना पड़ेगा अगर इधर चाहिए, क्योंकि दोनों मैसी लगेगा.
And this also little. Then this also little. I know.
This you'll do little,
This
but
you do
that
little. See, the carpet is very fast moving. It's only 1 minute, less than a minute from what I've understood from people. Even if she's adjusting, you can only adjust one thing because this portion keeps moving. And once you've adjusted this, I can take this and go with me. But that नीचे का messy लग रहा है बहुत
So
ज़्यादा.
नीचे का भी do ना little bit.
हाँ, little bit
And
ही
this
क्या
also
किया?
will do a little bit.
हाँ.
The beauty of it will not shine through, then the मजा ही नहीं आएगा. This is the contrast option. We were just trying something, but honestly not a fan because the undertones are different. It's looking very forced. हमने पहले ऐसे ही सोचा था, but the sari, the blue sari is something else. Like look at that material. ये कुछ अलग ही material है. Net, shiny, glazed. I love this fabric. Sari, I just need a little more heel to give me elevation, and otherwise it looks so beautiful. Oh my god, this is the one. I think this is the one.
Guys, I started the video. I said.
This is the one. It's giving Naina Talwar from YGHD. Post her glow era. Oh my god. This is the one.
The shine.
Oh, this is the one. For sure. This looks like it was meant to be. है ना?
Exactly.
It looks so good. This is the one, you guys. This is what was meant to be. Like, it looks so good, so structured, so modern, so nice. I will give my poses and take my pictures. Like, this is giving.
I told
yeah,
you.
This is giving me the full
Carpet vibes.
yes.
Yay.
Yes. इसमें बस fitting करना है ना अपने को.
Length and all is good.
You guys, this is the one. I'm so glad. Are we even trying the applique blouse? इसका neckline भी, इसका neckline अलग है क्या? ये ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Best neckline. खाली इसकी fitting थोड़ी और tight होगी, इसकी fitting और tight होगी, बाकी और कमर की. बाकी the length is perfect. Yes. Guys, this blouse also is looking stunning, and this is giving that 3D effect also. Is it possible to add more? Because champagne वाले में थोड़े ऊपर भी आ रहे थे ना.
If you want it.
Champagne में I think on the border also you had
No,
added.
this color is like less is more.
Okay.
So,
Looks stunning now.
Several days later.
The final carpet outfit is in my house. I can't believe it. So this is the other blouse. यहाँ पर ये पुल कर. मैं ये उठाती हूँ. हाँ ये देखिए ये दूसरा वाला है. ये एप्लिक है, ये दूसरा वाला है. 3 days before D-Day.
ओह फक, ये वो उस कलर में था.
हाँ शैम्पेन में जो तूने देखी ना.
अल्लाह.
This is what I'm planning to go with because the sari has this exact in
समझा, वो
this.
पीछे tail पे.
हाँ tail पे ये देखिए ये सेम कटदाना है.
हाँ देखना ये इधर
हाँ,
भी वही है यहाँ.
yes. तो ये एक सेट लगेगा. ये थोड़ा कॉन्ट्रास्ट में लगेगा. We also try to do the champagne blouse with the blue sari.
मजा लगाओ.
नहीं मजा आई.
I am this person.
सेम
Like
सेम.
असं
मला हे नेकलाइन पण खूप आवडलं. हे नेकलाइन बघा हे थोडं कन्झर्वेटिव्ह
गुम हो
आहे.
रहा है. तेरे फूल में नेकलाइन गुम हो रहा है. इसमें मस्त तेरा क्रिस्प.
हाँ.
ऐसा क्रिस्प.
This is a very sharp pattern. It's very sharp geometric.
This bro.
है ना?
This.
चल done bro done.
This is like.
Very western.
हाँ, that feels like तू थोड़ा सा शादी में जा रही है कुछ बहुत
Exactly.
This is like it's just like classy and elegant and you just be like इधर भी लाइन है इधर भी लाइन है. Wow. कितना मजा आ रहा है इसको टच करने में. कितना फैंसी है.
I know right?
इसको पीछे का कैसा है?
Same.
ओह हाँ, बट इसमें वो किधर है? अच्छा हाँ.
उन लोग ने
तेरे
अंदर
को पहनाने वाला रहेगा ना कोई?
शेरिन ब्रो पहनाने वाले मल्टीपल्स है मेरे.
I was just worried.
ये तो फिर भी फुल प्री ड्रिप्ड सारी है. पूरी बोनिंग किया है ना.
वही.
हाँ बहुत मस्त बनाते ब्रो इन
Fuck
लोग.
यार.
बहुत सही बनाया है. Alright, you guys, the red carpet moment is over, and what an iconic night it's been. I can't believe it's over. I really can't believe it. Like, we took 2.5 months to plan this look. So much prep went behind it, and you chutki bajate ke saath the carpet moment was over. But now that I'm looking at the pictures, everything, it turned out so beautiful. It was literally our mood board come to life. So many ideas, so many things we planned starting say, but everything just, narrowed down. You have to think so many things, and we thought of everything, and this outfit made me feel bold, beautiful, and my best self, and that was exactly what I wanted. Like, to create a moment which is not too loud, which is subtle yet classy yet elegant, and I could do my Indian sari, my Indian heritage, work with an Indian label. For my debut, I wanted everything made in India, and that is what I wanted to resonate with, and I'm so glad that I could do it. And everything just turned out like mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Everything turned out exactly how we planned it. Last night I was overthinking so much, but this morning I'm like, it's over, and it went exactly how we wanted it to go. I loved how I looked at the red carpet. I am all over Getty Images. So many photographers have posted my photos on Getty Images. It's a privilege. Like, this is not something you pay for. It is literally like journalists are capturing you non-stop at the carpet, and like, that's it. Like, paparazzi, you don't have your own photographers at the carpet, so that's why I don't have a carpet video as such for y'all. All the videos we had to take, all the content we had to take khud se baad mein. The journalists are non-stop papping you, but so many journalists submitted my pictures for Getty, and I was like, oh my god. Morning I woke up, and I, like, last night only 2 had submitted, and this morning like more than 5 photographers, like different angles, different this, and I'll pop like a couple of photos here for y'all. They're so, like, every angles I was looking good, and I was like, arey, because I लग नहीं रहा था कि I was looking good, because I was very conscious. It was the first time. I was not, honest to God, I was not super confident. Like, it doesn't show in the pictures, but I was like in my head a lot. ये सब मैं आपको vlog में बताऊंगी कि vlog में आपको समझेगा कि everything that's happening here in Cannes. So subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the vlogs that are coming from the Cannes Film Festival. But I hope you enjoyed this iconic outfit from scratch video. Huge thank you to the Kalki fashion team. They are beautiful to work with. I highly recommend wearing Kalki fashion for your big day. Honestly, they will make you feel beautiful. There is no doubt about that. Like, every single detail, even till the last, the chicken curry sari also, which I wore if you've seen my Instagram, even till the last, they got me like 4 blouses for that, just so that I'm comfortable. They worked so hard with me to make me feel beautiful, and that was the memo, and I'm so happy. Alright guys, we have another day in Cannes today, a lot to do, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything live event on Instagram, so I hope you're following me on Instagram to get all the live updates on stories, on everything. So everything that's happening here in Cannes, you can see on Instagram, but the vlogs are coming for y'all too. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For this, Astra goes to Trish Voyage. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to paraphrase Astra, you know what to do. Hit subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and you can transfer my next video, Sara Squad. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys, love you.